What's going on, everybody? It's Austin again. Just wanted to give you all a brief update on the car part of my channel. We are going to start getting back into it, working on one of my W124s, Mercedes. This one is a 94 E320. It is under the cover. Let me see if I can pop it up real quick. But you can tell this thing's going to need a lot of TLC already. Damaged hood. A lot of the internals missing. I don't want to lift it because we've been having some bad little rainstorms coming through here, so I'm going to keep it covered up. But we're going to get this one redone. I have all the parts already here for it, so we can get it fixed up. I did trade in the ST. That is no longer with us. I got a GL 450 because my son that was in the NICU late last year came home earlier this year. So we traded that in, and we got this nice GL 450. It's the twin turbo V8, so it's the I would say the good motor. Up to you, you pick your poison, but I prefer that motor. But we do have this bad boy right here. We're going to get into it, rebuild it, and make it into a daily, possibly other things. We'll see where the project really takes us. But I just wanted to give y'all a brief update, and I hope y'all are all having a good time. If y'all want to see some kind of content with this car, let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. But this is going to be our next build. And as for the gaming side of the channel, we will be streaming from Thursday, usually through Saturday. It might be changing up soon because the school year is starting. Got to make sure the kids are all ready to rock and rolling up at bright and early for school. But we usually stream Thursday through Saturday from 8:30 to 9 o'clock all the way up into the early mornings, probably 2 a.m., 3 a.m. So pick or choose, we'll see how it all rolls. So if you want to check it out there, I would really appreciate that. And leave me a follow so you can get notified whenever we go live. But other than that, this is the little goober right here that's finally home, Mr. Daxton himself. And he's going to be kind of our little mascot, yeah, because he's a big influence of me, staying home and now doing this. So appreciate everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Thank you so much.